Sure bafethu disappointing results for iBafana Bafana ku first game yethu ku World Cup 2006 against Mexico. Well done to Mexico 2-0 winners namhlanje. This is Jabu Mahlangu and Tiski Shandis. Shuffling Tiskiring us yang disappointed kancane bafethu. But angivanga one thing izwe knowledge ukuthi yena ucabanga kanjani, sense of knowledge boy basilahle phansi mfana ngezimbili.
Ayintwana yazini umoya wami uphansi mfana, my spirit is so down. I'm not disappointed by Ntezibaya, but from the word go Ntwana, from when I saw the lineup, I knew ukuthi Ntwana we're going to play something esingayazi. I don't know that Bafana that was playing tonight. And then now ngisho Ntwana ukuthi le Bafana weekend. We did not play to our strength. If we lose playing our football, then I'm happy. Then I know ukuthi South African football was represented. But today, the world does not know ukuthi who is Tebogo Mokoena, who is Adams. I was hoping that the world today will see ukuthi who is Tebogo Mokoena, who's Adams. But they could not, because they played a system that could not allow them to express themselves, to play at their best. You know, the system did not allow them. I mean, we've got 3 Ntwana in the middle sitting, we've got 5 defending, and we are hoping to catch the Bantu laba ngoMudiba no Lontuzane, but we are defending kushuthi ngangakhi Ntwana nga 8 people defending.
Yeah, but ilento abantu abakhulume ngayo from 26 players uyisa 11 defenders. Ayumadala ikwala.
Yeah, Ntwana
Madala kusho ukuthini kuba ikwala ngeEnglish?
He's a coward. He's a coward.
Yeah, no, Hugo Bruce was a coward. You know, I always stood up for our coaches as a Bafana, not Hugo Bruce, anyone. But this time, we didn't go there with confidence. We didn't believe in our style of play. We didn't believe in ourselves. We didn't believe in anything. Bafana. We just went there and say, let them not score. And then maybe Tina will find something. We can't even analyze this game because it was only one team that was playing. We can't be defensive there. Yes, you must respect your opponent, like they always say. Mara, not the way she respecting a corner ile. Ukuthi manje we don't have offensive players. When we have the ball, so many instances, Mdladla, these guys, they were attacking. Yes, because we were too many, we will defend kahle and win the ball. And then after that, then asna plan. We can't.
We must play that long ball.
And long ball, we've got short strikers, both of them, Urenas and Uloeno, but they are both short. So I think we got it wrong from the coach and the technical team. Mdladla. I think the players laba babafakile, iplayer phela ngeke lithi high coach. No man, we are too defensive. Mabakufakile ku lineup, you go there, and I think they did fight, but I'm very disappointed in Uhelmen Mkelele, no coach Hugo Bros, for this kind of approach. And an analysis team, I'm very disappointed on them because we can't go out there and play the way Sidlaleng Akon. I don't know what to say.
Mamela Ntwana, mina, yes, I blame the whole technical team because you've got the coach, you've got the assistant coaches, you've got the technical team, the analysis department. The analysis department, Ntwana, sits and watches in Mexico. Yeah. And then they come and give advice to the coach, which this team plays like this team plays like this. They've got an attacker there. And for me, when I see the lineup, I'm thinking, maybe these people, they've got a team that attacks, they've got wingers that can skin, you know. They've got
we make them look so.
But
like
this team was
look too good.
They were never that good, my brother.
No, my guy.
They were just disciplined. Maybe this team. That's what I saw.
No, discipline, and when we hit the ball, we don't have players that can hit them. Like Amachita's wins with Nama defender wabo abe on toes akabang. But we didn't have them in the pitch. But we had them a bench in. Police, he's got 9 goals for Bafana. Umuremi, you've got Umuremi, you've got Umshishi. Umfukeng, I don't count him because he's still a young man. For me, I've played in the World Cup 2002. In the second half now, I played, I think, 15-20 minutes against Slovenia. I know Gut Lapana is not the same as a Kas out here. So, Mina Vele, I was Mangbonu Gutis number 10. then I realized no, Vele, which means this is a total different team. It's not. I'm not expecting any Bafana to dominate, or even not to dominate, but just to create chances. I mean, we've played 40 minutes first half without any shot on target, any attempt on target. That's bad. That's bad. That's bad. That's bad. But now we are going to the next game. We lost two players already. Uyaya, what's your take in Fanangalia? Uronwen udlalile. I think firstly uRonan sijwayele ukudlala so. But njengoba ushukuna ama analytics bekumele bazi ukuthi gents we are playing in the World Cup bayapressana labantu. Uyaya plays in Europe. How can you want to turn with receiving the ball and you want to turn like this? And then uRonwen that pass is not a akusiphase egcwele awuthiyami besithanda ukuthi German pass. Uphasa ibhola esilakage ngathi kudlala ku PSL. Pass the ball quick. In international level that you can't pass the ball. Ukelezo makalapha mangimgaya ibhola akumelanga azalimele that extra second because in that level they close. The ball must move quick. Not this thing yokudlala ngathi sidlala la eMbombela Stadium.
Yeah, in defense of Ronwen Ntwana, I mean, I think
No, I'm not
the
blaming-
pass. No, I'm saying the pass in terms of the pass.
Yeah, I'm not
that
blaming-
pass corner for me was enough. Uyaya did a mistake, a basic mistake. I'm under 12 that I coach ukuthi Ntwana, when they pass you the ball in that position, you scan.
Yeah.
Scan. If I was scanning, then you must play the ball ubusele la libuya khona.
But now-
Why ufuna ukuthena?
But now as a goalkeeper kumele uwazi ukuthi uba no comfortable ngebhola. Kumele uwazi as a goalkeeper you must know your teammate ukuthi uba no comfortable, uba nongamphasa in that situation. I'm not saying wrong but mara kumele ulazi uyiplayela ukuthi kule situation so awusenza ngemgaya lo ngemniki. I mean you must know those kind of things. Yeah, because manje kuba ngathi bafakene enkingeni boyi2.
But then again, Ntwana, this is how we play better with Ronwen. Because what we do with Ronwen is he invites the pressure.
the thing
He can
is-
play.
but
And
the
it's
thing is-
ngiyakuzwa into eshoyo ukuthi you must know who is there. If it was Mukwena or Adams,
You can give
we
him
are mningi.
because you know
But
what is comfortable
but because
with
mhlambe
screen. And enye into sorry ukukhatha mdlali enye into why singakhonanga ukuthola uAdams noMkwena ukuthi balandele amabhola kube uyaya yiyo lento yama defensive I5 immediately because if we had 3 then it was going to be clear ukuthi like they normally do uMkwena if uMkwena or Adams if akusu Adams uMkwena but today because there are so many even Umkwena, let's be honest, even Umkwena and Adams, they didn't have a good game. I didn't see them. But I'm not blaming them. It's because
positioning, yeah.
because coach Wabute, Jens Nina Namhlanje, you are not going to enjoy, you are going to run after the players of Mexico. And that approach is wrong. I'm disappointed. I'm not gonna bash on the players or the coach, but what I'm saying is I'm disappointed on Coach Hugo Bruce to be a coward in that place. Let us lose playing our own game. Then we can take it. Not like this. What is this?
Yeah, Ntwana, there's a next game coming. We are disappointed. Now I know as a team they are disappointed in the way that they play. But let's be hopeful that in the next game we've got 2 games. Finally, let's hope ukuthi they will bring their A game. But other than that, Bafethu Sesivala, let's go and support Bafana in the next game. They need us. I know which the whole country is very disappointed, but we still have 2 games to play, Bafethu. Let's support Bafana all the way. Thank you, Ntwana.
Sharp Bafethu, yeah, season support Bafethu sisancanywa ningakhohlwa to like, share, subscribe and hit that notification bell kuJabu Mahlangu and Tiski Shandis shuffling Tiski Ringers sizonibona ku second game Bafethu, but not only ku second game, we'll try to cover some few games during the World Cup Bafethu. Danko
Sibonge.